To insert a SIM card in a Realme Note 60, first we'll need to pick up our phone and then look on the left side of it. Then we can take the SIM ejection tool and stick it in the gap right here. You may need to use a bit of the force to actually release it. And then now when it's released, we can remove it like that. So here's the SIM tray. Now you need to grab your SIM card and align it with the slot. There's two SIM slots right here. It doesn't matter which one you will use. And then now I'm gonna align it like that. Okay, so it's in. Now we need to grab our phone again. And then slide the SIM tray just like that. It's a bit tricky since this SIM tray doesn't want to go in at all. It just needs a little bit of patience. Okay, so now it's in and we can just slide it like that. Now it's fully closed and we can check if the SIM card is detected. Here it is.